Guys, look at that waterfall. Okay, you can go in the hot tub. It's storming today, guys. I hope it stops soon. We're at the residence. Looks nice so far. That's the garage. And it's nice, but it's raining. Hello. Afternoon. It's like an eating area. It's nice. Oh, is this the breakfast area? It's the breakfast area, right? Fancy smells. For 10.
11 is over there. Who would put that?
No, we don't have beachfront. We have. Turn on the light. Wow.
Who puts 410 here after?
Huh? Oh, we're trying to turn on all the lights then. Oh, look at this kitchen. Yeah.
It's like for months.
This is like a suite. This is nice. Wait, where was that other bed?
Oh my goodness. The appliances are better than our house.
Uh-huh. Look at that. Look at this fridge. Wolf brand. Sub-Zero fridge. Sub-Zero fridge, y'all. Full-size fridge. I think so. Wolf. Toasters. You like it? Uh-huh. No, thank you. I'm on vacation. There's a balcony. Kate, is this your bedroom here?
The bathtub has moles.
What?
Look.
Okay, hold on. You mean molding?
Oh. Oh, right. You can look.
Huh? That's not mold.
No. Modes.
Modes.
M-O-D-E.
Yeah, modes. Like, yeah.
Brandon, say it.
Can we have a jacuzzi?
Yeah, get a jacuzzi.
Look at it.
They even have that fancy glass.
Did I get big guys?
Yeah. Not the whatever.
Cabana Bay.
Cabana Bay was bad. Look at the toilet with the bidet. No. This is for the 3 kids.
No.
Yes?
No.
Oh, I know. This is the master bedroom with the TV. And this is leads out here. Yep. So this is the other king size bed, and it has a closet. Wow, look at that shower. No, the kids can shower in our room. Queen size. This is the laundry. Alright, here's a laundry. Okay. I didn't realize there was this room.
Yeah.
Wow, they already have soap. Gave us some soap, but we brought Tide Pods. There's an ironing. There's a vacuum. And they even give us a step stool and a thing to put a cooler to go out to the beach. In the kitchen, they even have scrubbing stuff for you. And soap. There's a trash. There's a dishwasher. Cabinets. I don't know for what. I mean, we're not bringing our own stuff here to cook.
I feel weird with walking.
There's glasses. Real utensils and everything. Do people actually come here and cook? Seriously? Like it's a vacation? All these knives. Careful, Zoe.
It's a butter knife.
And let's see, we got. That's a shame. It has all this cooking stuff and we don't even cook.
Wait, is that freeze?
Yep, that's ice. If you get ice cream and stuff. Okay, and there's martinis. We'll stir. Yeah, you want to take a bath in there, so? Wait, wasn't there supposed to be a TV? Oh yeah, there's the TV right there. Yeah.
Mom,
Huh? Yep.
I'm gonna adjust the light a little.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do different modes.
Yeah. You like this place? They even have soaps and stuff, so we don't have to take out our soaps. Open. Oh, you go inwards? Okay. Oh, fancy. Oh wait, 2 people can shower at the same time. There's one shower head here
Yeah, I know.
and one over there. That's huge.
So, and this is
Yeah.
by the way,
Closet. They let us have robes. And the light turns on automatically when you go in. And there's a safe up
oh,
there.
yeah, it's a sensor. I see the sensor. Clothes.
Yeah. Oh, so we can put our dirty clothes on. The master bedroom. Everybody's watching TV. It stopped raining, guys, so we can go out now. Yeah, it was raining. It was like pouring rain. But thank goodness it stopped. This is our view. Oh, we can just use these umbrellas while they're still open.